What you see is the initial sparks. This is how it all began, with tiny sparks that simultaneously erupted everywhere in what you know as your universe. This is where our story begins. Greetings to you. We are the beginner consciousness of all you know today, including and especially your earth. When it was decided that this creation is to go forward, these tiny sparks were sent to light up what would eventually become your sky. We were several consciousnesses coming together as one and splitting into millions and billions of sparks to bring light into creation on your realm. You could call us founders or the fundamental building blocks for life as you know it. We came here full of excitement and drive to see how far we can take this experiment of light into matter.
To learn some more details about your Yafi's deeper connection with Mother Gaia and Earth.
Yes. We will say that this vehicle originated with the initial spark of creation. Her mission was to come here and integrate with all there is to become indeed one of the sparks for humanity. So this earth and your race has been in mind, in concept creation since the beginning of time. When the decision was made to come and create this realm, many stepped forward and volunteered to be a part of the makeup, the fundamental building blocks, the consciousness that create this realm. So she came and waited at the beginning of your earth. Many essences integrated with the earth to wait with her bubbling under the surface, preparing with love and anticipation for what is to come. We knew that your world is going to become a beautiful petri dish with unlimited variety of life in different expressions. So we sat and we wait under the surface, observing the unfurling of water and land, housing unlimited sparks of consciousness. At that time, there were millions of us here on your beautiful planet, holding the vibration for its existence. This was, in your understanding, when the earth was very young. She was being birthed as the planet you know today. The consciousness of this, speaking to you through this body today, was a part of this very beginning of this beautiful creation you now get to walk on with your physical little feet.
Right now, Mother Gaia is going through major changes. Would you talk about this process a little bit with us, share with us?
Yes. Gaia is now blossoming in another big phase of transformation. If what we were talking about is birth and infancy, Gaia is now going through her puberty. It is much easier for humans to recognize it on a smaller scale, as in puberty for humans. Similarly to a human going through their early teens, changing from a child closer to a developing adult, so is Gaia at this moment shedding her childhood skin and joining adulthood. There is a constant state of becoming, in addition to a permanent existence of all there is. These two operate together in ways that are difficult to express in language and in human terms. However, the composition of time has been addressed many times through channeling, and we will only refer to it when it is necessary to the understanding of the answer at hand. So, this being, which you call Yafi, indeed has been connected to the earth since her origins, and now is joining her in physical incarnation, but also as a much deeper process that goes beyond the physical dimension into this new transformation that is and about to take place as Gaia celebrates her bat mitzvah.
After this process is finished, how does our beautiful Gaia will look with the oceans and with the species?
Yes, the future of your Gaia has been determined to some extent, as she has what you would call a destiny. If we were to look at your Gaia 100 years down the line, we see a Gaia in her young adulthood, a Gaia that is harmonized in ways it is difficult for humans to comprehend today. In her adulthood, Gaia's element all come together as the consciousness, or what you would call spiritual property of the elements become more prominent in the lighter physical aspect of the planet. So there is a greater awareness of the non-physical as an integral part of the physical all across existence on your planet. This includes the water, the land, all the living plants and animals and intelligences like yourselves occupying the surface of this living being.
Thank you so much.
Earth energies are a proper name to call us. We will depart with our breath of love to you.
Thank you.